Hello students, I'm very happy that all the students are watching the video eagerly. In previous class we started the third lesson, food. Okay. What does a food give? Just for a recap, it gives you energy, it helps us to stay healthy, it helps us to grow, and sugar also gives us energy. Not only sugar, oil, cheese, butter also gives us energy. Next we saw food for health. Health. What does the health means? Health means how well we are, how our body is, and how you are. Next topic we are going to see is growing food. Growing food. How does the food grow? The plants we grow for food are called crops. What is it called? It is called crops. The plants we grow for food are called crops. The seeds of different plants are sown at different times. Rice, for example, is sown in the rainy season and wheat in the autumn. Rice, rainy season. Wheat in autumn. Okay. When crop plants are ready, they are cut and gathered. When the crops are ready, they are cut and gathered. This process is called harvesting. Spelling for the word harvesting is Harvesting, harvesting. The seeds of the plants are separated from the plants and cleaned. The seeds of the plants are separated from the plants and cleaned. Then, the seeds are taken from fields to the market. Farmers sell the things they grow to big shopkeepers. Farmers sell the crops to the shopkeepers. They are called wholesalers. And these wholesalers sell it to the small shopkeepers. These wholesalers, farmers sell it to wholesalers and the wholesalers sell it to the small shopkeepers. Different foods have different wholesale markets. Okay, many of the things we eat come from mills. Mills have machines for grinding seeds. Mills have machines for grinding seeds. Atta, maida, and suji are made from the wheat in flour mills. Okay, mills. Flour is also made from maize. Flour is also made from maize and millets. Millets is nothing but bajra. Okay. Besan is a flour made from jal. Besan is a flour made from jal. Oil is made by pressing. How does the oil is made? How does the oil is made? Next we go on to oil. Oil is made by pressing oil seeds in oil mills. Oil is made by pressing the oil seeds in oil mills. Sugar is made from sugarcane in sugar mills. How does we get sugar? Sugarcane, first, sugarcane is crushed to take out the juice. Crushed is nothing but pressed. Sugarcane is crushed to take out the juice. The juice is boiled to make it thick. The juice is boiled to make it thick. When the thickened juice is churned, sugar separates out. Spices like chili, pepper, turmeric, coriander. Coriander is nothing but dhania. And cumin. Cumin is nothing but jeera. Are also grown in mills. Then how we get milk. Next is we are going to see about how we get milk. Milk. Some people buy milk from a milkman. Some people buy milk from a milkman who keeps cows and buffaloes in their house. But in towns and cities, most people buy milk in pouches or from a slot machine. This milk comes from dairies. Where does the milk comes from? It comes from dairies. Milk comes from dairies. And milk is collected from village and brought to the dairy. And the dairy cleans the milk and makes it germ-free. Okay? The dairy cleans the milk and makes it germ-free. And then the milk is sent to a slot machine. What is it called? Slot machine. SLOTMACHINE. Slot machine. Okay? Then the milk is sent to slot machine. The milk is carried in milk vans that keep it cold. If it is not kept in cold, then the milk will be spoiled. So it is kept in cold. Okay, next. Next we are going to see about the eggs, meat and the fish. A place where the chickens are raised is called poultry farm. What is it called? Poultry farm. POULTRY. Poultry farm. FARM farm. Poultry farm. A place where chickens are raised is called poultry farm. Eggs and chickens reach wholesale markets from these poultry farms. Where does the eggs and chickens come? They come from the poultry farms. Okay. And shopkeepers buy them from the wholesale markets. Not only chicken, goods are also sold. Sheep at wholesale markets. Wholesale markets. Wholesale markets. Fish are brought to wholesale market by fishermen. Who brought the fish? Fishermen. Fishes are brought by fishermen. And they catch them from rivers, ponds and also sea. Fish are actually grown in some parts of some ponds or lakes or parts of rivers. These places are called fisheries. The place where the fishes is found is called fisheries. 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 Okay. The place where the fishes are seen or there is called fisheries. For a healthy life, if you want to live happily, you have to follow few steps. What are they? Do not eat uncovered food. For example, when the food is not covered, you should not eat that food. Germs will get into the food from air. So it's better not to eat the uncovered food. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables. But before eating it, you have to wash them and eat. Wash your hands before eating. And too many sweets are not good for your health. They make the people fat. And do not waste food. Do not waste food. You should not waste the food. Think of all the people who work hard to get your food. Okay? These are the lessons today. That's it for today, children. Just for your recap, what are the things we saw? We saw about the food. Okay, growing food. How does the food grows? How does It gives you energy, it gives you healthy, and it gives us energy and to your body. And how does the food grows? The steps from fields to the market, from wholesalers to the retailers, and to the us. And what are the different types of foods? We saw how does the sugar is being created from sugarcane. Sugarcane is crushed and taken out in juice. The juice is boiled and then it was thickened, and when the thickened juice is churned and sugar is separated. Okay, and how we get milk next week. So how we get milk, and milk, some people buy milk from the milkman, but a few others from the, mostly in the towns and cities, they get from the packet or in pouches. Okay, and the milk comes from the dairies, and milk is collected from the villages and brought it to the dairy, and this dairy cleans it, cleans the milk and make it germ free. Then the milk is sent to the slot machine. The milk is carried in milk vans that it keeps it cool, otherwise it will be spoiled. Okay, next we saw the eggs, meat and fish. Okay, a place where chickens are raised is called poultry farm. And eggs and chicks reach wholesale markets from these poultry farm. And shopkeepers buy them from wholesale markets, and not only chicken, also goat and also the sheep also are sold at the wholesale market. And fish are brought to wholesale markets by fishermen. Okay, and these fishes we get from the lakes or the ponds or the riverside, and these places are called fisheries. Okay, that's it for today's children. Please go through it, and for your assignment I have attached spellings, question answers and book exercises. Please go through it, learn it, and spellings, write it for your homework. Spellings, write it 5 times in your rough note and send it to me. And next week test will be conducted in lesson 1. Okay. Thank you children.